Edward Snowden revealed XRP is secret project US government. The last few days there has been real chaos on the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin lost $2,000 in just a few hours. XRP is no exception, which has fallen by 20% over the past few days. But XRP's failures are also related to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. But, as it became known, Ripple can count on the support of the US presidential administration. Let's test your knowledge and intuition. Write in the comments your forecast of the XRP, the right crypt, price for tomorrow, next week and month. Welcome to the Rich Clab channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. In this form, we will consider the current price of XRP. Interesting news related to this cryptocurrency. Current price forecast for XRP. Since last month, XRP Ripple has witnessed a dynamic clash of bulls and bears. Since October 27th, it has fluctuated in the ascending parallel channel, white. At this stage, XRP rose by 35%, reaching its 2-month high on November 10th. However, since then, the bulls have lost their strength as the trend has changed. This pullback led to a 25.3% correction until the price reached its 4-week low on November 24th. With this drop, XRP formed a descending triangle. Although the bulls have defended the $1 support over the past few days, they have not been able to push Ripple above the 20-day EMA. This indicates a lack of demand at higher levels. Sales accelerated on November 29th, and the bears lowered the price below the psychological support of $1. The XRP USDT pair may now decline to strong support at 85 cents. If the price bounces off this level, the bulls will try to raise the price above $1. If they manage to do this, the pair may try to gradually rise to the upper resistance at $1.24. Conversely, if the price drops from $1 and drops below 85 cents, the pair may drop to 70 cents. The live XRP price today is $0.946712 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,262,000,000 US. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 2.34% in the last 24 hours. Edward Snowden, a former CIA agent, revealed a lot of secrets that the US government would prefer to keep secret. Also, quite recently, he expressed his concerns about meme cryptocurrencies. But he told Al a lot of interesting facts about how the CIA used Bitcoin. And against this background, the question arises, is XRP a secret US project? Now we'll figure it out. Snowden tweeted this after sharing a screenshot of an NYT article about CBDC. In it, Dr. Prasad wrote that the Fed can set a negative interest rate on electronic CBDC balances in each person's account to encourage the owner to spend CBDC faster, and companies to invest their digital dollars. In his other recent tweets, Snowden unequivocally states that the funds that will be stored in the CBDC in the bank account of an ordinary US citizen will not actually belong to him, since it is the Federal Reserve that will decide whether you can spend them and how. In a sharper tweet, Snowden says that CBDC is a perversion of cryptocurrency, and even a crypto-fascist currency, since the state will be at the center of every transaction. CBDC is a perversion of cryptocurrency, or at least of its fundamental principles and protocols, a crypto-fascist currency specially designed to deprive you of ownership of your money by placing the state at the center of every transaction. Former CIA agent Edward Snowden said that the Bitcoin, BTC, cryptocurrency was used in illegal espionage by the National Security Agency and the US Central Intelligence Agency in 2013. The informant admitted that this particular cryptocurrency was used to pay for the servers where the spy data was stored. He noted that he is actually well acquainted with the concept of bitcoins, since he encountered their use 8 years ago, as an employee of the Special Services. Snowden noted that Bitcoin is opposed by those who pursue their own interests, promoting the initiative of digital currencies of central banks, CBDC. According to him, a group of rich capitalists pretends to care about people. They constantly exaggerate the risks of investing in Bitcoin and come up with excuses for people to invest in centralized currencies belonging to them. The former special agent stated that CBDC is a new government mechanism. They are created in order to limit the possibilities of using existing cryptocurrencies. These assets hinder the expansion of the freedom of financial markets. The introduction of state currencies has nothing to do with solving investors' problems. According to Snowden, it is confidential coins that can lead modern society to a healthy economic system. They are an alternative to Bitcoins, but exchanges constantly exclude them from their functionality. Privacy and anonymity are not needed by the ruling class. Snowden himself has stated that he is a supporter of Bitcoin. He likes the transparency of transfers and transaction mechanisms. The fact that centralized banks have no influence on cryptocurrencies is a very important reason why he likes this type of virtual assets. Earlier edition Crypto.ru, it was reported that Edward Snowden said that the current pressure of the Chinese authorities on the cryptocurrency market will not weaken, but on the contrary, will only strengthen the position of the first digital coin. After Facebook's announcement that it would launch its own crypto asset, while much of the focus was on what the tech giant's support could mean for the massive adoption of Bitcoin and the rest of the asset classes and new technologies, it also brought about many discussions about privacy, decentralization and more. The privacy conversation was a widely discussed topic during the recent Bitcoin 2019 conference. There, NSA whistleblower and human rights defender Edward Snowden spoke on a teleconference where he said that unlike Facebook's Libra, Bitcoin does not have access and, therefore, is the only free money. The mysterious and pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto developed Bitcoin in connection with the global economic crisis of 2009 to solve all the problems he had with money. One of the main issues raised was ensuring that its offering could not be overblown, and ensuring that no third party or individual entity could control the network or any transactions occurring with it. By removing the need to verify transactions by a controlling party, the Bitcoin network becomes unreliable. It also makes Bitcoin faceless, which, according to Edward Snowden, who spoke at the recent Bitcoin 2019 conference, makes Bitcoin free money. A former CIA informant joked that his comment about free money is not related to the parabolic rise that the crypto asset has experienced in recent weeks. Snowden used the example of the internet offering a kind of freedom of speech. He says the worst that can happen is that a user will be deregistered or banned from sites like Facebook for violating the site's terms and conditions. Snowden says that when it comes to trading, humanity has not been granted the same right to freedom as before Bitcoin. He adds that freedom is freedom without permission, something that is the foundation of all basic human rights, and when it comes to money, only Bitcoin can achieve this. Privacy, he says, is an agency that gives us power over our own freedom. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.